Look at that. Professionalism. Why is it counting down from 30? Oh, there's a car there. Let's just go forward a bit. There's just a car there.
It's gone, I think.
Okay. Yeah, so you'll turn up to the test centre,
Right.
okay, with the student, and if you've already picked your topic,
Yeah.
okay, it makes it a little bit easier.
Yeah.
But just be mindful that there might be other things and other needs that you might need to cover with her.
Okay.
Okay.
That will be during the lesson if something comes up. Yeah.
Or even on the drive there. So when you picked her up from home,
Okay.
you were on the drive there. If you notice something,
Okay.
just have that in your mind, thinking it might be something that you might need to pick up.
Okay.
Okay. So, the examiner will come out, shout your name, and then he'll say to you, "Oh, Jangi, let's go over here and have a chat." So he might just, if there's other people waiting in the test centre, you might go outside or inside that area and just have a chat, and then say, "Okay, so you're here for your Part 3 test. Who have you brought along with you?" And you can say, "Oh, I bought so and so. How many lessons has she had?" She's had about 18 to 20 lessons.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a reasonable amount. Okay.
Yeah.
You don't want to say any more than that. Okay. So what are you going to plan on doing with her today? And you say to her, "Well, there's a number of things that we recognised that were her needs on the last lesson.
Right.
However, she wants to prioritise her approach speed.
Okay.
And on this lesson, we're going to use the roundabouts to help her with that.
Right.
Okay, because she's still approaching junctions quite fast, roundabouts quite fast. But today's lesson is going to be mainly focused to start off with on approach speed towards roundabouts, because that will have an effect on her observations.
Right.
So that's fine. Do you have any training documents? And just have your paperwork with you. You've got some paperwork, haven't you? You've got some that I gave you.
Yeah.
You've got your ADI 21T from previously. You just have to have some
Yeah. Okay.
of any notes that you've got. I mean, you've probably wrote in your notebook, haven't you?
I've got a notebook.
Yeah. So just keep that with you, and
Okay.
keep some papers with it,
Okay.
and just say, yeah, this, I use my notebook, and these are my documents that I use. Okay.
Yeah.
So then now, you'll go towards your car. Examiner will sit there. You'll sit here. Now you are the student. Okay. So what I'm going to do with you now is I'll give you an example of what to include in the briefing
Okay.
and how to do the lesson.
Yeah.
You don't have to do it exactly like that, but just to ensure you include some of these points. Okay. So you be the student, and I'll be the instructor.
Right.
And then we'll go through the first phase. So once he's sat in the car and you've sat in, and you're strapped up, just check that she's got a seatbelt and everything. Okay.
Yeah.
And you just turn to Mark and say, "You're comfortable there, Mark? Okay, all right. Just let me know when to begin."
Okay.
And he may say, "Yeah, that's fine to start." Okay. And then he might say to you as well what time he wants you back at the test centre.
All right. Okay.
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 So the time is what, 10:43 at the moment.
Okay.
So let's say it's at 10:45 the test is. So let's say 10:43. So have a look at that time and give yourself about 3 minutes
Okay.
for the briefing.
Okay.
Okay. So Jangil, we're gonna have a lesson today.
All right.
We've got Mark with us today.
Okay.
Mark's here just to observe me.
Okay.
Okay. So you don't need to worry about it too much. My job is to look after you,
Right.
and Mark's job is to look after me. Okay. So today, we'll just have a little bit of a quick recap on what we discussed on our last lesson, and make sure we say last lesson.
Okay.
On our last lesson. So can you tell me what you would like to work on today?
Special approach on roundabouts. I'm approaching very fast.
Okay. So why do you think you are approaching a bit fast? What's making you come a bit too quick towards the roundabout?
So I'm concentrating too much on my right hand side for traffic, and then I forgot about my speed and changing gear sometime.
Okay.
I approached on third gear.
Yeah. So do you think it's beneficial that when we're slowing down, we should try to slow down in the distance that we can see clear?
Yeah.
So in order to find our distance, where should we really be looking when we're trying to slow down?
Slowing down.
Do you think it's worth looking ahead?
Yeah.
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 So at what point do you think then you should look to the right to see if it's clear?
So, so when you're about to stop.
Well, when you're slowing down.
When you're slowing down, yeah.
So therefore, let's go through the hazard routine
Okay.
on approach to a roundabout. What's the hazard routine? Just remind me what it is.
Hazard routine.
Yeah, what's the routine when you approach a junction?
Check your mirror first.
Yeah, so mirror.
Signal.
Yeah.
Then position.
Good. So there are those three things: mirror, signal, position.
Right.
Are you okay with doing that yourself?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the speed comes after position, isn't it?
It is, yes.
And then what comes after speed?
Look.
So do you see what I mean? So if you look before you slow down,
Okay.
you're not going to slow down in the distance that you can see clear.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So speed, and then look comes after, and then assessing. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll see where you're looking.
Okay.
I will have a look at your feet work as well to see if you're starting to break in time. Okay. And in terms of like approaching the junctions and approaching roundabouts, what sort of speed should we be approaching?
So maybe 15.
Okay. Shall we call it like a jogging to a walking pace?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Because if you say 15, then you might then focus too much on your actual speedometer,
Okay.
and you might not be looking at the road.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and if you want help with what jogging speed feels like,
Right. Okay.
I will get you down to that speed, and I'll say to you, this is what jogging speed feels like.
Okay, that'll do.
What is the benefit of that?
So I don't have to concentrate on my speedometer then?
Yeah. And then you can feel the speed, and therefore then start observing to the right.
Yeah.
So, is it fair to say that you need a little help with your speed on approach, and what kind of help do you want from me?
So yeah, you can.
This is the part we're creating a plan now.
Okay.
Yeah, we've had an overview,
Okay.
we've had a bit of recap,
Okay.
we've had a bit of a chat about it.
Okay.
Now we're creating the plan.
Plan, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, you can prompt me, or you can you can help me.
Yeah. So we've got a few different ways that I can help you.
Okay.
I can guide you, but I think you're okay with not becoming fully guided.
Right. Okay.
I can maybe ask you a question about what you're doing.
Okay.
I can prompt you on your approach.
Okay.
How would you like to do it? I mean, a question, for example, I might ask you something like, do you think you're going too fast? Do you think you can slow down a little bit more?
Right. Okay.
A prompt might be something like, slow down, or and press the brake a little bit.
Okay.
That might be a little bit of a prompt and a bit of a guidance. So do you want that level of help, or do you want it just more of like a question?
So I'll start with the guidance first, yeah?
Okay, do you want to start the guidance first?
Yeah,
Let's see that. Okay, that's fine. So I'll maybe just help you out on the first couple of roundabouts, and if I can see that you're doing them yourself, then I'll pass responsibility back over to yourself.
Right. Okay.
All the other things you do have responsibility for. What about finding a safe gap and entering the roundabout? Are you okay with that?
I think I'm okay with that, but if I struggle,
okay,
and then
so this one going to be the risk management here. So therefore, you try to do that on your own, and if I feel the need to verbally or physically intervene, am I right to do that?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Excellent. Okay, shall we drive on then?
Yes, please.
Are you okay? Are you comfortable to come out the car park yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you need any help from me?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. And at that point, just have a look at the time.
Okay.
It says 10:50, isn't it?
Yeah.
10:49, and then give yourself 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. So if it's 10:50, then you want to be thinking about 20 past.
Right.
11.
Okay.
That I'm looking at the time, thinking this is the time that I want to be kind of bringing them back towards the test centre.
It's about 30 minutes drive.
Yeah. Okay. So, I've set the scene.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone knows what they're doing now.
Yeah.
This is what we're going to be doing, but at the same time, I'm going to be looking at everything else.
All right.
If something else comes up in between as you're driving, and if it's something that I need to adapt the lesson for, just for the moment, I'm going to adapt it.
Okay.
But I'm going to still use it as part of the overall goal. Yeah.
Okay.
So the overall goal is that by the end of the lesson, you want to be able to achieve approaching the roundabouts and approaching general junctions at the correct speed in order for you to execute them properly.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the idea. So we're going to have a look at that. Okay?
Right, okay.
So, Jangid, we're going to set off in a moment. We're going to come out of this car park. Would you like to do some left turnings and ahead first before we move on to some right turnings? Or would you like me to mix it up a little bit on the roundabouts?
Yeah, we can mix it up, yeah.
Mix it up, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and then maybe we'll build that up to more busier ones.
Yeah, okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah. That's
So,
good.
drive off when you're ready. At the end of the road, I'd like you to turn right, please.
Okay.
Okay? It's like giving you a driving lesson again, huh? Good, well done for checking your blind spot there. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Good observations. Video call.
It's not gonna stop. It's Sunday.
Oh, what is it?
It's my
Probably.
dad always ring me this.
At the end of the road, turn right. Do you need to answer it?
No, I'll ring him later. Yeah.
So I'm still looking at you, looking at the road.
Okay.
I'm not even turned my head left yet.
Okay.
But when you're looking that way, I'm glancing to the left quickly.
Okay.
But I need to show you that I'm still watching you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
So now you made a decision.
Okay.
Quickly turn my head just to double check that.
Okay.
So what do you think about this chap on the left there? Okay. Sorry, I'll just put this down. Okay, yeah.
Okay, I didn't realise you had a control shoot. The chap, yeah, he was.
So that speed hump that we went over,
Okay.
what kind of speed hump was it? If you don't know, don't worry about it.
It slows you down, yeah.
Yeah, it slows you down,
Yeah.
good. But did you notice the colour of it?
Colour.
Yeah. Did you see any signs around it?
Yeah, there was some white.
Yeah, it was a giveaway to cyclists and pedestrians.
Right. Okay.
Just like the one we've got up ahead. What do we have up ahead here?
That's a zebra crossing.
Okay,
yeah.
so tell me what you're going to be doing.
So I'll wait if somebody's. I'll give them wave if somebody's waiting.
You're looking around, aren't you?
Yeah, looking around. Yeah.
Okay, so did you notice on the last one there was that chap coming towards that crossing? It was quite a distance away.
Yeah.
Did you notice him?
Yeah, I thought he's gonna go straight. He's not gonna come this year.
Right. Okay. There was another one. That one had his face covered. Did you see him?
No.
Okay. That's why I've mentioned it. So
Yeah.
that's on that. So things like that, for example, the crossing and the zebra crossing, or any crossings, when we approach them, we need to scan. Okay.
Okay.
We need to have like what we call a filter vision,
Okay.
not a tunnel vision.
Yeah.
So on the next one, do you want my help with that, or do you think you'll be okay?
If I miss something, you
I
can.
think you'll be okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Show me what you can do on this next one here.
Okay. Yeah.
So tell me what you're seeing.
Yeah, it's no one's there. Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
At the mini roundabout, we'll follow the road ahead.
Okay.
So I've just adapted the lesson for the moment.
Okay.
Talked about it.
Okay.
There was another example coming up.
Mm.
Yeah. So I used that for them to demonstrate a learning outcome.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well done. Okay. So what did you think about your approach to that mini roundabout there?
Yeah, it was a bit fast. Yeah.
It was okay.
Okay.
Did you notice you had to brake a little bit harsh at the end there?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you think if you came a little slower, you would have looked and seen if anyone's coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for the next one,
Okay.
and I know you wanted me to guide you. I'll guide you a little bit on the next one. Is that okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So at the mini roundabout, I'd like you to follow the road ahead.
Okay.
Second exit. You can come off your gas pedal now.
Okay.
Good. Check your centre mirror.
Okay.
Good. Excellent. Reduce your speed.
Okay.
Keep reducing. Select second gear. Keep reducing. Keep reducing. Have a look to your right. Is it clear?
Mhm.
Off the brake. Give gas.
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. If you're stopping, no worries.
Okay.
Okay. Because it was a distance away. We could have gone.
Yeah.
We'll wait for the second one now.
Okay.
And then you tell me when it's safe to go.
Yeah. Okay.
So the benefit of approaching junctions at a good speed
Mhm.
is it allows us to find those gaps and not having to wait.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So on that one, we'll continue to go straight ahead.
Okay.
So on that one, so we would have come out this way,
Yeah, okay.
and I would have taken them left.
Okay. Yeah.
So if you just pull up on the left for me in a safe place, we're gonna just stop for 30 seconds, no more than that.
Okay.
Okay. So at the end of this road, we've got a mini roundabout. Okay. We're gonna go left at the mini roundabout.
Okay.
What I'm gonna help you with is just to recognise the speed of what we call a jogging pace to a walking pace.
Okay.
And how that speed feels like going up to that roundabout, okay?
Yeah.
So I might use words like brake, continue to brake, off the brake, on the brake, these kind of words, okay?
All right. Okay.
Just to get you to feel like what speed I want you to approach the mini roundabout or any junction.
Yeah.
And like I mentioned, the benefit of that is it allows you to make a better decision because you have early vision, therefore you can make an early decision.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Shall we give that a go?
Yeah.
Any
please.
questions for me?
No.
Okay, drive off when you're ready. Okay. And then make sure you do your blind spot check as well,
Okay.
you know,
Yeah.
as an instructor.
Okay.
Right, it's a bit early with second gear there.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll speed up a little bit.
Okay.
Because what would happen if you go into second gear that early and there's somebody behind you?
Okay. Yeah.
What would happen?
So yeah.
You're not making progress, are you?
No.
Because you've set it off at a nice time,
Mm-hmm.
and because you've not made that progress, somebody else has called to you.
No.
Yeah, and you've ended up slowing them down.
Yeah.
So next time we stop on the left, do you need my help to remind you how much gas to give, or do you think you can do it yourself?
I think I can do them.
Okay, that's fine. We'll keep an eye on it. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
So look, I've adapted the lesson
Yes.
for the moment.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. At the mini roundabout, we're going to be turning to your right. Sorry.
Right.
At the mini roundabout, we'll turn left.
Left. Okay.
Okay. So you do the part that you're going to do yourself.
Mhm.
Excellent. Press the brake.
Okay.
Press the brake. Keep braking.
Yeah.
Keep braking. Keep braking. Keep braking. Drop it down to 2 now.
Oh, okay.
Drop it down to 2 now. Drop it down to 2. Drop it down to 2. That's
Okay.
it. Off the brake. Off the clutch. This is the speed. Now look. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, we can go.
Okay.
So did you see how much time you had there?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you feel what that speed felt like?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think on the next one you can do it yourself?
I can try. Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Now there is a difference between the next roundabout and this roundabout. Okay.
Yeah.
Just remind me what speed you just saw down.
50.
Excellent. Is it clear to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can get our speed up.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, so there is a difference between the next roundabout and the one we had here.
Okay.
There is a bit of a bend before we get to the roundabout.
Okay.
How do you think that's going to affect your speed and your approach?
Bend. I need to slow a little bit early.
Perfect.
Yeah.
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 Let's slow down just before the bend, okay?
Before the
so at the
bend.
roundabout, turn left, first exit.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, what do you normally do after you've checked your mirror?
Check. Give signal.
Excellent, okay.
Okay.
So just show me that speed that I just showed you before. Good, excellent, well done. Good gear change, good. Nicely done. Yeah, I would have waited for that, definitely.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, just have a quick glance to the left for me as well. That's it,
Yeah.
just a quick glance.
Yeah.
Good mirror checks in your new road as well.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, so how did you feel about the approach speed on that one?
That was easy. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's just show me again on the next one.
Okay.
Okay. There's one other thing that I want to talk to you about as well, but I'll do that after the next roundabout.
Okay.
Excellent. So, in the next roundabout, I'd like you to turn left, first exit. Remember, this is your responsibility now,
Okay.
and you're going to try and do it yourself, okay?
Yeah.
But I'm still here to help you if need be.
Yeah.
So, turn it left. Exit, you remembered your signal that time?
Yeah. Yeah.
You're very good at acting like a student, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay, I'd like you to pull up on the left in a safe place. We'll just pull up just before we get to the second lamppost. This is the first one
Okay.
here, okay? Just next to that lamppost there.
Okay.
Excellent, that will do. Thank you. No, that's too close. That's fine. No, you're fine. You're fine as you are. Excellent. Well done. Yeah, you don't want to get too close and go over the curb. Yeah, you destroy your alloys. But yeah, so what made you want to get a bit closer there? Do you think you're too far out?
Yeah, I thought it'd be too far out.
Yeah, so
That's what students do.
yeah, they do.
Yeah.
So can you see the curb in front of you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just make sure that as long as that curb is in the centre of the windscreen, you don't need to turn it in anymore.
All right. Okay.
Okay, that's your reference for that. But
Yeah.
we'll have a look at that again when we pull up on the left again.
Yeah.
Okay, so a couple of things I want to mention. So before the last roundabout, I asked you a question. What do you do after you check your mirrors?
Okay.
Do you know why I asked that?
Because I was.
You were almost about to put your signal on late, or you might have forgotten it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it because you were focusing on that bend?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah.
But then the next time you remember, didn't you?
Yeah.
So I don't think that's something that we need to repeat again.
Should try to clean this.
Yeah, try it. Yeah. Should do it.
No.
Yeah. So do you think that's something that we need to revisit with your signalling, or do you think it's just a one-off?
I think it was one of.
Okay,
Yeah,
excellent.
due to bend and.
And why is it important to signal on time?
So the cars behind you, other road users would know what you're trying to do.
Excellent. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to you again. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll leave that back in your cart.
Okay.
How did you feel about your approach to the last two?
Yeah, I think approach.
I think you're doing absolutely fine. I think we can challenge that a little bit more.
Right. Okay.
And go to some more busier roundabouts.
Right.
And some faster roads in between.
Okay.
And one other thing I also mentioned to you when we were sat waiting at the roundabout was to have a quick glance to the left as well. Why do you think I mentioned that?
Oh, right. Okay. Well, any one's trying to overtake any cyclist or.
Yeah, number one.
Yeah.
And plus, if we continue to look to the right, the situation on the left can develop. There might be a build-up of traffic.
Right.
There might be somebody broke down. You know, and we don't see that.
Yeah.
So if we're continuing to look to the right,
Right.
and then go, then have you heard the saying is you should look before you leap. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if we're gonna go and we've not seen into the road,
Okay.
there might be something blocked there.
Yeah.
So that's why when we talk about effective observation, right, left, right, left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Plus, I don't want you to get into a habit of looking too much to the right too early.
Okay.
Therefore, your positioning might be incorrect. You might end up being in the middle of the road rather than the left on the road.
Right.
That's having a quick glance to the left is helpful as well.
Yeah.
Okay, happy with that?
Yeah. Okay.
So, shall we move on to some right turnings at roundabouts? Maybe go into some busier ones?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, right. So, when you're ready then, please. Do you have any questions?
Right. Okay. No. Yeah.
Do you have any
Am I going
questions
to do
about-
myself?
Do you have any questions about right turnings at roundabouts?
No. I know what to do
Okay.
here.
If you want to, you can
Yeah.
do it yourself.
Okay.
Only because purely I've noticed that you're approaching the roundabout okay.
Okay.
And like in terms of finding a safe gap and hesitation, I mean, in the last one, you came up to it, you saw the car coming in, you stopped.
Right. Okay.
So you're doing
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
If you hadn't done that, then I might have offered some help.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine. Yeah.
And that's probably what you would do with a student. You'll see based on what they're doing.
Okay.
Yeah. If they're not doing it, then I would have maybe done another loop just to correct some of those issues. But if they're doing okay, then you just carry on with it.
Yeah. It's just.
Yeah?
More challenging.
Okay. So I'll carry on with like a bit of a route where you'd have a mixture of challenging the student, bit of right, bit of left, which would then take up the kind of time.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Drive off when you're ready. We're going to take the first road on the left, please.
Okay.
Okay, if you'd just like to pull up on the left for me in a safe place. Hey, that was a good nice pull up there.
Yeah.
Well done. Excellent. Again, just notice you're going into second gear a bit too early again. Okay.
Yeah.
So I just need you to maybe give a little bit. At what speed do we change your second gear?
Above 10.
Yeah, about 10 to 12.
10 to 12.
You're changing it around 6 and 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So do you can do that, or do you need my help with it?
I think I can do.
Okay,
that.
let's do that then. Okay, drive off when you're ready,
Okay.
please. Oh, that feels better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does. Yeah.
That feels so much better. So look, just adapting it just quickly for the moment, and you've got the area to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the route really helps you. We can stop here and talk as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just be mindful of how much you do stop them
Okay.
and how long for,
Okay.
and do it when it's necessary.
Mhm.
You do it on the go.
Okay.
Don't just waffle and talk for too long. I mean, I've literally maximum I probably spent is about a minute or
Yeah.
two.
Yeah.
At the end of the road, turn left.
Okay.
Good, well done. I noticed that you looked to the left as well.
Yeah.
And because you did that, did that help you with your positioning?
Yeah.
Yeah, good, well done. The next roundabout, I'd like you to follow the road ahead this time. Second exit.
Okay.
Just remind me what lane you're going to use?
Left.
Excellent,
Yes.
good. But just so you're kind of drifting over slightly to the right there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what you're going to do when you come off. Excellent, good. Now, the reason why I'm kind of prompting you there is because I'm noticing that you're not doing it at the right time.
Okay.
So on the next one,
Okay.
we're going to go straight ahead again.
Okay.
Just remind me what lane you're going to use.
We're going straight here.
Yeah,
Going straight is always left here.
left and outer lane. Not always.
Yeah. Okay.
But on this
just road
occasion,
parking.
left and outer lane. And why is that important to use that lane? So we don't affect other drivers, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
And what are you going to do when you come off?
I'll need to check my mirrors and signal. Yeah.
Just show me it.
Okay.
I'll see if you can do it on your own, okay? Okay, good, well done. Don't forget to change here. What made you forget your gear change there?
I was focusing too much on my mirror and signal.
Right, okay.
Yeah. On time. Yeah.
Can you speed up a little
Okay.
bit more? We'll have a
Yeah.
chat about that in a second.
Yeah.
Third, yep. Okay, on the next roundabout, we're going to follow the road ahead again. Second exit, okay?
Okay.
So, I think you've got your positioning correct.
Okay.
You know that you need to mirror signal to come off.
Okay.
Just make sure your gear is matching your speed. Do
Okay.
you think you can do that?
I can try. Yeah.
Okay. If you don't, I'll mention it to you.
Okay.
We're going to go straight ahead
Okay.
second exit.
Okay.
Good. What speed limit can you see?
50. Yeah.
Good. So what does that mean?
I need to progress.
Yes. Excellent. Good. And what gear should you be on? Excellent. Good.
Yeah.
What speed are you doing right now?
35.
Good. So what speed gear should you be on now?
50.
Yeah. Excellent. Well, you don't have to do 50.
Yeah. Okay.
50 is just a limit, not a target.
Okay.
The way the road condition is at the moment,
Okay.
it's going to make you speed up anyway.
Okay.
So therefore you might not need to have too much gas.
Yeah.
So yeah, so focusing on what's important, and you need to prioritize at that moment. So changing gears to match the speed is a priority.
Okay.
I know you're focusing on your position and going straight ahead.
Okay.
But to me, I feel like you can agree with me or not, because I think you're doing okay. What do you think?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Do you think?
I think
So would you like to show me the next one then?
yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you sole responsibility for going straight ahead,
Okay.
second exit. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Good selection with your gear there.
Yeah.
Good position as well. Well done. How did you feel about that?
Yeah, that was easy.
Yeah? Was that good?
Yeah. Easy.
So it's always good to ask them.
Yeah.
Because then it
Okay.
shows learning out.
Okay. Yeah.
So what did you take away from that last roundabout then? What did you think you've learned from it?
So nice and early mirror check and signal. You have enough time to give signal, and then
Yeah, happy with that?
yeah.
We'll take, for the traffic lights, I'd like you to turn left, please.
Okay.
So we're still using the same skills that we're using with the roundabout.
Okay.
Okay. Good gear selection.
Okay.
Good approach speed.
Okay.
Mirror and signal was good.
Okay.
Yeah. It's all the same skills that are transferable to junctions as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Well done. I think you're doing okay. If I want to be maybe a bit picky, I would say not this round, just before the traffic lights.
Okay.
I would say you maybe went around a little bit too slow.
Okay.
Maybe you could have gone a bit quicker.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it's a nice big roundabout, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I'll let you go with this for now, and then we'll continue to have a chat.
Okay.
Thinking about what we talked about, matching the gear to our speed.
Yeah.
So what speed are you doing?
I'm doing 27.
So what gear should you be on?
Fourth.
Okay. You can do this, Cam.
Yeah.
Can you feel it? It's wanting to.
Yeah. It's a small engine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, usually, you can do it in 3.
Yeah. But now it's better now.
Yeah.
Feels
Can you
better.
feel it?
Yeah.
It sounds better.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And it's good to listen out for your car. Listen for what the car wants. Okay, we'll do our first right turning now, okay?
Okay.
So the roundabout will turn right,
Okay.
third exit.
Okay.
Do you need my help with any of this?
If I do anything incorrect here, you can.
Okay. Okay, approach was good. Please put your signal back on again. Yeah, it wasn't bad that.
Okay.
No, it was
Yeah.
good. You lost a little bit of focus on your gear again
Oh, okay.
because your signal went off.
Mhm.
So sometimes that does happen.
Okay.
When you're turning right,
Okay.
your signal does knock off again.
I didn't realize that.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. But why is it important to make sure our signal stays on?
So the other road users know what I'm trying to do here. Yeah.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. So they can continue to, even though your road position tells them that.
Yeah.
Now, sometimes on the lessons you feel the need to talk about everything.
Okay.
Sometimes you don't.
Yeah.
Like that meeting situation there.
Yeah.
I mean, you dealt with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
If there's anything, just a bit
Yeah.
of praise.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, examiners say, "Why are you mentioning it for?"
Yeah. Okay.
And then do an analysis with it
All right.
afterwards.
It depends on examiner.
Yeah. Well, not just examining. It's like, even like on your general lessons, when they're driving, you're not always having to say something.
Yeah.
You're not always having to fill the space and the gap up.
Mm.
Yeah, you can,
Mm.
but is it necessary? Like, for example, there's a zebra crossing coming up.
Mm.
Just watch them, see what they're doing.
Yeah.
Seeing if they're coming off the gas pedal, seeing if they're checking their centimetre, seeing if they're scanning. Oh, well done. Dealt with that really nicely there.
Right.
Good. Okay, the next roundabout, I'd like you to turn right. It's going to be a fourth exit.
Okay.
Signposted for Doncaster.
Okay.
Okay? It's quite a challenging roundabout.
Okay.
Quite a busy one as well.
Yeah.
Do you want my help with anything of it? Just cancel your signal there for
Okay.
a second.
Yeah.
Just because there's an entrance
Oh,
there.
okay.
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 Right. You can put it on now.
Okay.
So when we're going around the roundabout, what we're going to remember to continue with, if it turns off?
Signal.
Excellent.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. So I'll let you focus on the roundabout now. We'll talk about why I told you to cancel your signal earlier on, okay?
Okay.
Changed his mind a bit last minute, didn't
Yeah.
he? No, you recognise it then. Good, oh, you remembered,
Yeah,
see?
yeah.
See, it does knock off, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, especially in this car, I don't know why it does that.
It happens a lot.
Good mirror check. And just make sure you do your blind spot check
Oh, okay.
as well.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Especially when they turn you right.
Right, okay.
So what did you notice about the speed limit on this road?
It's a bit faster than, I think it's 40.
Yeah, excellent. Can we do it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, at the next roundabout, we're going to follow the road ahead. Second exit. Yeah, so signalling, I know it was a bit of an entrance quite close to the roundabout,
Yeah.
but just remind me why it's important to make sure our signals are done on time and not too early.
Yeah, so I could have easily misled the traffic, so I'm going to the
Yeah.
car park.
So
Yeah.
just so we've covered it all,
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
important.
Yeah.
Next roundabout, we're going to follow the road ahead.
Okay.
Second exit. So I'm going to let you do this one on your own, yeah?
Okay.
Which is also important that I don't say anything, otherwise it goes down to over-instructing.
Oh,
Only only mention it when you're not about to do something.
okay.
Yeah?
I'll only mention it.
Next roundabout, I'd like you to turn right. Third exit.
Okay.
Fantastic, well done.
Yeah.
Started checking the mirrors straight away there.
Okay.
Excellent, good.
I forgot I'm a student. For a moment, I should have
No,
checked
it's
this.
not. But your students will do that.
Yeah,
Signal
yeah.
right there.
Oh,
Your students will drive to a level. You know, Lizzie's daughter, she might be driving at
Yeah.
that level. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter.
but changing lane for the before roundabout, sometimes they do a little bit late, so you have to remind most of the time. My students.
So what you can say to them
Yeah.
is give them two directions from before.
That's
So,
what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, so this roundabout we're going to go straight ahead.
Okay.
On the next one, we're going to turn in right.
Okay.
So when you're coming off the roundabout, what might it benefit you so you're ready to turn right?
Okay.
Or maybe come a bit slower when I
give
come
them
off.
clues, yeah.
Yeah, so when they come off the roundabout,
Yeah.
not coming off at the normal speed, just a
Yeah.
bit slower so they're giving themselves time to switch.
Right.
Okay? Good. Selected the correct gear
Yeah.
for the correct speed.
Yeah.
Excellent. Do you think you can go a little bit quicker?
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Why? Why can we go quicker on this road?
It was national speed, yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. Good. And what are the dangers of maybe not making progress?
So I'm holding the traffic back, yeah.
Yeah, and it encourages them to overtake you dangerously, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how do you feel about your roundabouts on approach? How are you feeling about it overall?
I think I'm confident now about my speed and approach, yeah.
I think so too as well.
Yeah.
Shall we do a little bit of a challenge? So on the way back to the test centre,
Okay.
the next few roundabouts we get, I'm going to leave it to you on your own.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
On the next few roundabouts, all I want you to do is just go straight ahead of them all.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So that's it. That's the most information I'm going to give you,
Okay.
and I'm going to leave it to you.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
If there's any questions, anything you do not understand,
Yeah.
please feel free to tell me,
Mm-hmm.
and we can discuss it.
Okay.